Hello, everybody. Welcome to English class with me, Mrs. Marin. How are you doing? I'm doing great, thank you. So, for today's lesson, we are going to learn about gerunds and to infinitive. Students, do you know what is gerunds and to infinitive? Yes, something to do with the verbs. Okay. Do you still remember how we can form past continuous or present continuous? Yes, subject plus to be plus a verb ing. So here, gerund is verb and ing, verb ing. We don't use to be. What about to infinitive? Correct. To plus verb 1, base form of the verb. Okay. Teacher, when we can use gerund and to infinitive? So gerund, which is verb plus ing, is used when we have two verbs in one sentence. For example, I love travel. We have love, we have travel. Two of them are verbs. So we need to transform one of them into a noun, okay? So we can put gerund as a subject of the sentence. For example, swimming is good for your health. Is is act as a verb. Is a to be, right? And swim also verb. So here we need to change swim into a noun. How? By transform it to gerund by adding suffix ing. Okay, next. Walking is healthy. This one also the same. Is a verb, act as a verb, and walking here act as a subject derived from walk, and then we put suffix ing. So swimming and walking are gerund. Next, we can put gerund after preposition. For example, I'm thinking about calling my neighbor. Okay, about is the preposition. So we need to change call, which is verb, and transform it into a noun. How? By make it gerund. Okay, put ing. Next, after working, here also the same. After is preposition, working, here act as a noun derived from work, which is verb. Okay, because we have another verb. Where is it? Go to bed. Okay, next we also can use gerund as an object. I like listening to radio. I really enjoy dancing. Look, we have like here is a verb, listen also verb, so we need to change the listen into object. How? Adding ing suffix. What about to infinitive? To infinitive also works the same. We change the verb into noun, but not by adding ing, but we put to infinitive. Okay, we can use it after adjective. Important is adjective. We can put to thing. To thing. Thing is good. Verb. Next, we can use also as subject. For example, to visit Cappadocia is my dream. Is my dream is verb phrase. Visit also verb. So how we can make a proper sentence by putting to infinitive in the visit. So to visit. Next, to show the usage of something. For example, I don't have anything to wear. Also, we can use it after the question word. For example, she asks me how to use the laptop. How is the question word. What else? Yeah, what, where, which. Next, We use after verb. Look, he came to submit his assignment. We have came, which is verb, and submit, which is also verb. We cannot have two verbs in the same sentence. That's why we have gerund and two infinitive. Okay? Now, let's check this one. For example, I want to say I love Turkey, and then I travel around Turkey. I want to combine two sentences together. How I can say? I can say using gerund, using two infinitive. I love to travel around Turkey. Or we can use gerund. I love traveling around Turkey. Okay? Two of them, they have same meaning. Next, we have another example. We decided. Then we go to cinema. So I want to combine two sentences together. I use two infinitive. So we decided to go to cinema. But we cannot say we decided going to the cinema. Why? I'm gonna explain to you later. Next, babies can learn. Babies walk when they reach at least 10 months of age. I want to combine two of them together. How? By using two infinitive. Babies can learn to walk when they reach at least 10 months of age. Teacher, I'm really confused right now. The first sentence, we are allowed to use whether two infinitive or gerund, but why the second and the third we only can use two infinitive? Okay, now this is the key, because each verb they have rule. Okay, here I show you some list of common verbs that can be followed by gerund or can be followed by infinitive. We also have verbs, common verbs that can followed by two of them. It can be gerund and infinitive, okay, with no meaning change. Like before, I gave you example, I love or I like, okay? Like, you can use gerund and infinitive. But others like admit, consider, finish, you only can use gerund. Or afford, agree, appear, you only can use infinitive. Teacher, how we can identify if we do exam? The only thing we can do is to memorize them. There is no other way. So the more you study, the more you do exercise, you can memorize them slowly but sure, That's the only thing you can do. Okay? Do you understand? Do you have any question? Okay, good. Now let's do some exercise. Choose the correct option, gerund or infinitive, to complete the sentence. Let's check number one. She enjoys blah 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 in the ocean. We have to swim or swimming. Let's check. Enjoy. Where is it? Enjoy is in the common verb followed by gerund. So the answer is swimming. Next, they need blah 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 the project by Friday. We have to finish or finishing. Let's check. Need. Where is it? Yes, it's common verb followed by an infinitive. So the answer is they need to finish the project. Next, he suggested blah 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 to the cinema tonight. What is the answer? Let's check. Suggest. Suggest. Where are you? Yes, suggest. It's in the common verbs followed by gerund. So the answer is going. He suggested going to cinema tonight. Next, I cannot imagine la 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 without my phone. Imagine, let's check. Where is imagine? Imagine is, where is it? Okay, imagine is in the common verbs followed by gerunds. So the answer is living. I cannot imagine living without my phone. Next, he admitted, blah blah blah, a mistake. Where is admit? Okay, we can see it's the first one, the common verb followed by gerunds. So the answer is she admitted making a mistake. Okay, as you can see our picture, uh, as you can see in our example, we always need to look up into the list. Actually, there are more and more verbs for the gerunds and infinitive. I just gave you some common verbs which is always used by people. Okay, good job, students. So now I want you to make two sentences using gerund and infinitive. I give you 5 minutes. Okay, you may start. Okay, student, you can use this list to help you. Are you ready? Good. Okay, can you please share with the class? Okay, please. Good. They plan to visit Paris next summer. Great. Now, second one, he prefers listening to music over watching TV. Good. Okay, to sum up our lesson today, we have gerund and to infinitive. Gerund is verb and ing, and to infinitive is to plus verb 1. Two of them we used when we have a sentence that has two verbs in the same time, and we want to change it as a noun. Okay, that's it. How we can identify when we need to use gerund and infinitive? We need to follow up the list. Okay, how? By reading or memorizing. That's it. Okay, I hope you understand our lesson today. Thank you for the participation. Have a nice day.